Hello everyone, and today we're playing Roblox, Airplane 2, so yeah, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's see, there's treadmills? I don't know what this is called, honestly. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, nobody wants to go into here. That's weird. Okay, I guess we can, wait till this room leaves, and everybody starts going in. Wait! Oh, there's some over here. Okay. Two people. No. No! Teleporting? Ah, come on. I could have went in there. Okay. Hello, person. Okay, it's kind of weird. Okay. Hello, sir. There's bacon dude outside. Oh, no. No, leave room. Leave room. Nobody's going in. Okay. I have no idea what's happening. Nobody wants to go in. Ready? Time. Okay, anybody going in? Bacon hair? Oh, hello, bacon hair. Hello, bacon. How you doing, bacon? Howdy, bacon. Okay, what is happening? Howdy, bacon. Not howd. Hi. He's baby flower girl. Okay. Airplane 2. Retro. I have no idea what that means. Ooh. Whoa, this is a really fancy airplane from last time. Is there like the names of where you're supposed to sit? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, my seat's right here. It says Yellow Dino Zebra. Exactly my name. Okay. I hope they don't notice that I'm a gun. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Pilot Kylie. Yay. Airplane 2. Okay. So, what's this about? Pilot Kylie? Hello. My name is Kylie. I can see that. I will be your pilot in this flight. Okay. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Really? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft. Whoa, awesome. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. Awesome. Wait, Bacon also saved an airplane? Cool. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason we are here. Yeah, I did save the day. Okay, whatever. Alright, enough chatting. Okay. We're having enough chatting. Okay. Anyways, Bacon's kind of silent over there. Please find your seat that has a golden name as we will cross an area of high turbulence. Oh no, high turbulence? That doesn't sound good. Okay, Bacon, bro, what are you doing? Bro, go to your seat. You're gonna die. Last time I almost died. Whoa! Oh my god, the plane flipped over. What? Okay, that's crazy. Okay, did we just do a barrel roll? I don't know, Bacon. Okay. Thank you for your cooperation. Did we cooperate? Oh yeah, we did. Okay. I have been informed a president agent is waiting you in the next room for you in the next room. Find him for further instructions. Okay. Yo, whoa! What's happening here? It's kind of sus. Hey, bro, what's happening? Okay. What are they talking about? And remember, no one should know about this. What's happening? What? Yo, it's so sus. Did anyone else see that? I think Bacon saw that, right, Bacon? Oh, whoa. Hey, sus man. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Okay. Yay. I'm so happy. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. You don't look too happy. Okay. Follow me to the next room. I'll give you some instructions. Okay. Let's see. Oh no, I can't move. Oh, okay. Hello, sir. What you doing? The president is getting ready. He'll meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Okay. But there is something you must know before that. What is it? The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Is that special? I mean, I don't know. Please do everything we say, cause do not cause any kind of trouble. That's all. President should be almost ready. Okay. Ooh, we can grab some. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh, okay. Oh no! I'm so sorry. Oh, oh, oh no! Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Please find something to clean this mess. Okay, or else we'll have to lock Yeldon Xavier for the rest of the flight. That's a nightmare. Okay, we need to find a mop or something. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, we need to find a mop. Oh, mop. Oh, it's a broom. I'm a witch. Okay, witch. Ah, swishy, swashy. Okay, clean up the mess. Oh, great, it's clean. Please do not let that happen again. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't want to get. I just wanted to take a sip of water. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Cool. What is this place? Whoa. Who's this? Is this the president? Hello, president. Okay. What's happened? Build that brick wall. What brick wall? What? Wait, what? Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry. It's the habit. What habit? Of your anger? Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Yay. Okay. My name is Ronald. Ronald Trump? I'm the president of the Robloxia state. Okay. Okay. You must know you are the heroes of the nation. For this nation, you're kind of angry about that. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. Okay. Wrong Trump. The food is not ready yet. Wait, what? Okay. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane! What? You're gonna throw a poor chef off a plane? We will take care of him, President. That's scary. Okay. Baby flower girl. You look like a great chef. Yes, you do, Bacon. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Oof. Plane, or I'm throwing you out of the plane. You'll better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Oh no. Okay. Okay, Bacon, you can do this. Oh, he's trying to run out. You can do this, man. You can do this. Okay, if you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash. But be quick. Are you ready? Okay. Time to cook. Okay. Man, cook. What's he doing? The soup needs chicken. Chicken. Wow, that's a big chicken leg. Okay. 15. Okay. The soup needs salt. That was fast. The soup needs pepper. Pepper. Okay. The soup needs corn. The corn looks so weird. Okay. The soup needs salt. Again, salt. It's kind of, wow, it's actually kind of, it sounds like a tasty soup. Okay. I did it. Sub to yellow dye. Sub to yellow there. Okay. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Okay, I'll take a seat. Oh, no, no, no. No. Right here. Take a seat right here. Okay. It looks delicious. Everyone take. Okay. No. Enjoy. Wait. Is there a banana in there? I'm not sure that was the right ingredients are in there, but okay. Enjoy. Okay. What happened? Okay. Ooh. We ate all the bowls. Oh, that's scary. We hope you enjoy the soup. President has had to leave early. Okay. He should be meeting you again in the presidential suite. Okay. Please follow the path to the computer room. Where is it? Oh, is it this way? Oh, okay. Computer room. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Bacon! Bacon! This way! Okay, let's go, Bacon. Okay, welcome to the computer room. Okay. Okay. Computer room. We use this room to protect any cyber attack to our systems. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Okay. I'm a hacker. Okay. In order to create a secret code. Okay, now you must try to figure out the code. Okay, good luck, hackers. Okay. Oh, are we supposed to make the screens like that? Okay. Wow, this is taking a long time. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yay! Awesome, we did it. Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Okay. Okay, Ronald Trump is here. Meet the president in the next room. Yes. I am raising my hand to the sky. Oh, what? Oh, okay. No. Now I'm raising my hand to the sky. La la. Okay. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. Okay. Okay, sir. I'm the president now. Okay. Get everything. I had to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as you're a very special guest, I'll let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. Yay! For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for the key for them? They should be somewhere around this room. Oh, I found them. I found the keys. Hey, I found them before you. What the heck? Okay. Okay, great. Let's open the door then. Open the door, bro. Okay, oh, I opened the door. That's kind of weird. Okay. Yeah! Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Jump all over the bed. Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Okay. This is spending the night. I hope it's I'll give you guys some time to get comfy. Okay. Yay! Jump on the bed. You with the Yo Down Saver t-shirts, link in the description. Only for 20 Robux. Okay. Okay. We're getting comfy, I think. Right? Right, Bacon? Nope. Bacon's staring out the window. Okay. What's happening? Whoa. Okay, it's dark outside. Cool. It's nighttime already. Well, I can see that. Whoa. Because I said that. Okay. I can't sleep. There's something about this flight that scares me. Dun dun dun. Guys, the curtain. Wait, yeah, it's opening. That's kind of weird. Wait, what? There's something outside. Uh. What is that? Oh no, it's the monster. Oh no, it's from last time when I was too powerful for it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Did you forget about me so early? Sort of. Oh no! Fire! 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 Okay, 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 okay. You run, 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 run. There's actual fire in here. Okay, I bet if you touch the fire, you instantly die. Oh no, 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 no. Okay. Run, 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 run. Fire is super overpowered. I haven't seen this fire like this in so long. Okay, the computer it's making my computer break. Okay, run, 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 run. Storage room. Oh, jump, 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 jump on top. Bacon, what are you doing? Bacon, no, what are you doing? No, Bacon. If it's gonna flood this place, you gotta get higher. No. Bacon's gonna die. Are we safe now? Yeah, now we got it. Okay, jump here. Yeah, that's better, Bacon. The floor! Get on something quick! Whoa, like this? Oh my god, this is so scary. Ah! Okay. 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 The fire is gone. What is happening? I have no idea. Oh, can we get out? No. Woo, a phone. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick it up. Pick up. Okay, pick up. Hello? Who's there? Hello, hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Yay. Okay. What? You don't say. I can't tell you tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Okay. The problem is the door is locked. Okay. Give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Okay. Get closer while I do. Okay. Okay, bro. Where are we supposed to go? Okay. You will not escape this time. Wait, what? Bro, bacon, 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 bacon. Oh no! Don't let him catch you. Okay. Where is he? Oh no! Oh no! He's chasing me. 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 No. He's chasing me. He's right on my tail. I can't get any slower, or else he'll murder me. No! No, 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 no! Oh, phew. Phew. My health went down so much. Don't let him catch you. Okay. Yes. Okay. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! He was gone. He touched me the last second. Oh my god, that was so close. Okay. The door's open. Get in. Okay. Do we get in? Oh. Oh. I'm in my seat. Great. Everyone is here. Not me. Excuse me, sir. What is going on? I don't know. We saw the monster again. Dun dun dun. Yeah, that was scary. Did he follow us here? Most percent. It didn't follow you here. What? It made you come here. What? Again. Oh, like last time. Okay. Where's the pod seat? Okay. The good news is I'm not just a pilot. Then what are you? I'm a secret agent. And I know a lot about this monster. Oh, great. Once he used to be human, but he had friends. As a matter of fact, nobody ever liked him. Oof. And there was something about planes. He was always obsessed about planes in a scary way. What? He liked to read news about plane crashes. Okay. And he tried to make a plane crash himself. Ooh. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. Oh, that's good. His spirit is just chases people like you guys. Because he blames you for his death. And now, you know about the monster. You must know he can take any shape. Ooh, that's sus. He could be any agent or even a president. But I'm not sure yet. Oh, I can't go into the pilot room. What the heck? Take this gun. I don't have a gun. Guys, you only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. I'm at the pilot room, but I can't get through. Okay, so who's taking the shot? Me. Ah, I want to take the shot. I will do it. Oh, come on. Because he's in there, and I can't get in. Okay, alright. Good luck, guys. People, hello? Okay. Oh, okay. Something's happening. Woo! Okay. There, there you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We discard you monster. Wait, put that gun down. What are you doing? You're a monster. You know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. Yeah. You are making a huge, okay, so you're, what? Okay. We are not monsters. Yes, you are. I don't trust you. Okay. Choose. What are you gonna do? I don't trust you. Boosh. He shot somebody. Who did he shoot? The agent was a monster? Ah, what is that? That's the agent. Okay. It's the monster also. Mr. President, yeah, that he could have killed you. It has been haunting us since the first trip. This is only a second trip. Okay. We tried to take advantage of the strip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. What? Okay. Congratulations, passengers! You have saved the day once again. Yay! That was so scary. Let's go home. Okay. At least it's finally gone now. Okay. Finally. Gone. It blinked! It blinked! I saw it blink. It's alive. It's alive. Victory! Yay! But it's alive. Oh my god. It's alive, bro. Okay. Airplane 2 story. Okay. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Remember to buy the Yo Down Saber t-shirts, link in the description, only for 20 Robux. And as always, goodbye.